Hi YouTube, it's Alan Sagano. I'm the president of ADS Consulting Group, and today's topic is about weird intermittent problems, especially with virtual machines. Sometimes, you'll have a machine that kind of works okay and then freaks out, or just like won't be 100% stable, or you'll reboot it and it'll work for a while, and then suddenly magically you can't get to it, and then you can. And one of the things to check on this is see if you have any hidden devices. So if you're running on Windows 7 or earlier, and you shouldn't be because those have all been deprecated, but if you are, you have to open up a command prompt and you have to include this line. I'll put it here, but it's set space devmanager underscore show underscore non-present underscore devices equals 1. And then from the command prompt, you can just type in devmgmt.msc, and I'll put the commands here. If you are running Windows 10 or later, then you don't have to do that environment variable string, but basically just run devmgmt.msc. Then you can click on view in the menu items and then show hidden devices. And then what you want to do is expand every single component on your computer. And if you see a device that's grayed out, sometimes you got to kind of look at it carefully because it's not obvious that it's been grayed out. Go ahead and uninstall it. Sometimes what happens, if you pull out hardware even out of a virtual machine, it'll gray out like that. And sometimes we see it happen, like you'll pull out, especially with network cards or for printers, we've run into this issue. You'll have like a grayed out device, but it has a static IP that's conflicting with your current IP, and sometimes it kind of comes to life and then blows up everything and then doesn't and goes back down. It's a very intermittent problem. So if you are running into these weird intermittent problems on Windows machines, that's certainly one thing to check. Now, it may be a problem, it may not be the problem, but it's still a good idea to go and do a sweep of just any devices that don't exist anymore that are grayed out. Just uninstall and get rid of them. I think overall the machines will run they'll be much more stable in our experience. So anyway, that's our tip of the week. Hopefully, that's something to try. Maybe it'll help you out. Hopefully it will. If you like this content, please boink, hit the subscribe button, boink, hit the like button. It does help out the channel. Thanks a lot for listening. Stay safe out there, and we'll talk to you soon.